Ever wanted your Scribd audiobooks in MP3? Let's make it happen. Today we're diving into how ViWizard Audio Capture can transform your Scribd audiobooks into a personalized collection. First, grab ViWizard Audio Capture and install it on your computer. Once done, launch it and log into your Everand account to get your audiobook library ready. Next, let's tweak the capture settings. Click Format in the bottom right corner, choose MP3 for the best compatibility and hit OK. Now pick your Scribd audiobook on Everand and start playing it. ViWizard will automatically detect and record it. Once recorded, hit the stop button. Use ViWizard's editing tools to trim any unwanted parts, ensuring you get just what you want. Finally, click Save. Find your MP3 in the History window, and voila! Your Scribd audiobook is now ready to enjoy on all your devices.